If you want to change the preset, just push the OK button. I am going to solder this one end of transistor. Ouch! Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the FNIRSI HS-02A. This is the micro soldering iron. It is 100 watt micro soldering iron, and for full power you need to buy also a fast charger with USB-C port. This charger should work between 9 to 20 volts and should be working in fast charging protocol like PD and QC. Inside this cardboard box we can also find this original pouch. So let me show you what is hidden in the pouch. In the pouch we can find full of things. Well, I purchased this soldering iron as a kit. There are multiple kits and you can choose which one would you like to buy. I purchased the kit with these extra soldering tips. These are for heating inserts commonly used in 3D printed cases. For those ends, I need to use also this special soldering tip with thread, and I have to attach this tip to this adapter, one of them, and then I have to heat this tip up and put the insert into the 3D printed case. Next we can also find the original tip, which is included in the box already. So this is a standard soldering tip. Inside the pouch there is also this adapter in case you don't have 100 watt fast charger unit. Then you can use standard barrel here and USB-C port on second end. Inside the pouch there is also this pad in case you are actually not using your soldering iron, and here you can clean the tip on the iron. This is the very quick graphic manual written in English and also Chinese. And also you can scan the QR code on the back side and you can find or watch the video, the instruction or demonstration video. And finally, the main thing of this video is the FNIRSI HS-02A with HD IPS screen on it, 2 arrow buttons and OK button. Here on top side we can find a USB-C socket, and down there is a silicone for a better grip. To open you need to turn this cup to the side and remove it from the soldering iron. So this is a body of the HS-02A. The next thing is to open the soldering iron tip you choose for your project, and here you can see connections on this tip. This side should be inserted here into this hole, and you should push this tip inside deep as you can. So the tip installation is complete, and the same fashion you have to remove it after the tip will cool down. So always be careful that the tip is not very hot. There is no power switch, so if you connect the USB-C cable, you will notice that soldering iron will turn on. The instruction says that you should push the OK button. So keep in mind that if you push the OK button, the tip will start heating up automatically. So be careful, you will not harm to yourself. So push the OK button and we can see how fast is the heating up of this soldering iron. Before I do that, let me remove the screen protection. Very nice. So we can see that the screen is really nice, high resolution screen. So push the OK button, and here we go. You can see how fast it is. All right, I see the smoke. You can see the smoke. And we got a beep, a short beep, that it means the tip is heated up. With these arrow buttons, you can change the temperature up to 450 degrees, which is the maximum temperature. You can see an actual temperature. This is the set temperature, and DC voltage input, which is currently coming from my fast charger. The fast charger is not included in the box, so it is very recommended to order one from FNIRSI website. In case you are not using this soldering iron, and you can leave the soldering iron like this. After some time of no use of the soldering iron, this tool will go to the standby mode or sleep mode, and the temperature will drop down to 100 degrees centigrade automatically. And one more thing, these three numbers under the set temperature are the presets. Preset number 1 is 300 degrees centigrade. Preset number 2, 330. And number 3 is 360 degrees centigrade. As you can see, the temperature is dropping down, it's cooling because I set preset number 1, which is 300C. And this little beep means that we reached this temperature. If you want to change the preset, just push the OK button and you can see the temperature start rising. This is preset number 3 and then back to preset number 1, and I have to wait until the tip will cool down. In my case, I am using just 65 watt power source or charging. It is recommended to use 100 watt charger. And therefore, as I am using not powerful charger, in case I change the temperature too fast, most probably will restart. Let me show you. You see? Because there is too much power is going to this soldering iron, and therefore it is recommended to use full 100 watt charger. So let me do a real test. I'm going to solder this tiny transistor to this place here with a new soldering iron. So let me put a little bit of flux here to these traces, and also let me put a little bit of solder on one of those traces. Next, I'm going to take this little transistor and I am going to solder this one end of transistor to this place. Okay. And finally we can solder the rest of them. Okay. I think we're done. I can clean the tip. Ouch! And let me clean the traces around and the flux with the isopropyl alcohol. Okay. And the component installation is complete. So what do you think, guys, about this FNIRSI HS-02A? If you are looking for something the same, the links are down in the video description. The links also for the kits are there. And now I just unplug this little thing and I'm going to leave it to cool down the tip. And be careful you not made the same mistake as I did. So thanks very much, guys, for watching this video, and 73.